Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we will be making a Moscow Mule. I hope you're ready because this delicious fresh ginger spice is just gonna knock your socks off. A lot of the Moscow Mules out there today are like pretty sweet, not very gingery or spicy. So we're gonna do it right today. Just get ready for some gorgeous fresh ginger spice, a little bit of tart, a little bit of bubbles. To make a Moscow Mule, you will need either ginger beer or I've made a fresh ginger syrup and soda water. Together, those can take the place of ginger beer. You'll need lime juice, fresh lime always. And then that's about it. If you're making a mocktail version, you can add some green tea if you'd like, or you can use some vodka, some bourbon, some mezcal, shake it up. If you want to do this fun garnish on top, you'll need some Angostura bitters. Now hop on the couch and let's open up. Let's start off by making our ginger syrup. So I'm gonna take my simple syrup, which super easy, 1/4 cup hot water, 1/4 cup white sugar, stir to dissolve. And then I've got some fresh ginger, some coins, about 5 or 6 of them. Just gonna muddle them in. And since ginger is a little bit like tougher, you're gonna really wanna get a good muddle going. So if you don't want to put in this hard work, you can always just use ginger beer. It's equally as delicious. I just really like it with the fresh ginger because it's really spicy and just really fresh. But in order to let that come out, you gotta give it a good beating. And you can see like the syrup is changing color completely, so you know the ginger juice is really coming out. If you have a juicer, you can just juice the fresh ginger. Okay, I've been muddling for about a minute, maybe 2, and I think it's just about there, just a few more. Can smell it. It smells really good. Perfect. So I'm just gonna strain this off. Now that we've got our lovely ginger syrup, I'm just gonna start building it in the glass. So let's go 1 full ounce. Nice. I'm gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. You can add some green tea at this point if you want to do a mocktail, or nothing at all is fine too. Or you can add your vodka if you want a Moscow Mule. You can add bourbon if you want to make it a Kentucky Mule. If you want to get extra fun, you can do mezcal. Get a mezcal Mule, nice and smoky. Fill your glass with ice. And top with some soda. Now, if you're doing the ginger beer version, then you don't need to use the soda or the ginger syrup, of course. So those 2 ingredients take place of the ginger beer. But I'm gonna add just a few ounces. Not gonna fill it right to the top because I want the ginger to really come through. And I'm just gonna give it a slight stir. Now if you want to do a garnish on this one, you can toss a slice of fresh ginger and just put a little notch in it so it can just hang out on the glass. You can use mint if you want. It's not like traditional, but somehow it's just been adopted that way. Or you can add a few drops of Angostura bitters, maybe a few more. give it some of that warm spice to really tie everything together and just bring up that ginger even more. And there you have it, Moscow Mule. Cheers.